Raoul Paul says XRP's price is about to explode. Again, guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for being here. Massive XRP price prediction in this video. Guys, the market is pumping. It is Sunday, which is interesting. The markets are usually boring this time of the week, but instead we are getting a massive pump. We woke up this morning to see $105,000 Bitcoin, Dogecoin looking great, SWE's looking phenomenal, XRP's pumping. We'll take a look at the overall market later on in this video. It's going to be jam-packed with information for you guys. Ate some hot peppers this morning and they're still kind of hanging around. But anyway, got a good video for you guys. So make sure you are subscribed, hit that like button. You're going to like what we've got for you guys. Raoul Paul, one of the top experts, analysts that I listen to in the space, takes a very, very analytical, technical approach to trading. Definitely someone that I listened to quite a bit. He was very early to Solana before it went crazy. Loved SWE before it went crazy. Now he's not really necessarily an XRP maxi, but he can't help to talk about the current price and the current setup right now. The chart looks phenomenal for a massive breakout. He also talks about Dogecoin versus Bitcoin in this video as well. And so we'll dive into this right away and give you guys the goods here in terms of what Raoul Paul is saying here. Just a minute clip. So listen in here. This is him talking about XRP and the current setup that we have right now from a price standpoint. Listen in.
This one. Yeah, I know you guys mentioned it last week, is that XRP chart is something to behold.
Yeah.
It really is. I mean, you know, none of us have really been involved in XRP, but that chart is something to behold. It's like, that's going to another big leg higher at some point. And that obviously helps the Bitcoin dominance chart. The other one, which I think is the best chart in the world, is, I don't know if I've got it on this one, is Doge Bitcoin. I've got the Doge chart, but Doge Bitcoin looks like it's going to continue. And Doge Bitcoin would suggest that it's going to outperform Bitcoin again, in which case it'll have been the hardest asset in the world.
Yeah. Yeah,
which is the funniest outcome. But Doge itself, like, put this.
That looks like a full sort of breakout mode, doesn't it? This chart here.
Yeah, if I go to the monthly chart, I mean, it kind of can't be better than this chart. This one.
So that is what Raoul Paul is recently talking about from a chart standpoint. He likes a lot of different assets right now, guys, but overall, absolutely loves the setup right now for Dogecoin and XRP in particular. So let's go ahead and take a look at the overall market here. We'll come back to some price predictions and some of the things we're looking at here. But as you guys can see here, as I'm rolling through, Bitcoin looking absolutely phenomenal right now. Well over a $2 trillion market cap, 105 plus thousand. It's actually about 105.5 right now. Who knows? We could make a run here at all-time highs. We're not that far away at all here on the Bitcoin chart. We are about, right now, 3.25% away from hitting a new all-time high. Remember, our highest point we've ever been was back on January 20th, 2025, about 4 months ago now, where we hit $109,000 plus, came all the way back down to 73K. People were running for the hills, but this is why you stay invested in crypto. It is so volatile. It can change on a dime. And you've got to be able to play the long game. So many people get washed out of this market. They buy one time at the wrong time and they say, oh, crypto's not for me. I don't know how people make money at this. You got to stay in the game, right? We know that with XRP. It stayed at 50 cents forever and then it exploded well past $3. And Raoul Paul says, we're getting ready for another massive leg up as we slowly but surely climb back towards our local top at around 262. We did top out back in January, right around the same time frame that Bitcoin set an all-time high. XRP was up here at about $3.30. So not too far away from that number right now. But once we get past our previous all-time high, which was set back in 2018 of $3.84, the floodgates completely open. And a lot of people predicting XRP's price could fly. Now, we asked AI what they thought, right? Some AI predictors. They're not as bullish as I am or as some other experts are, but still, they believe some of the ChatGPT, for instance, thinks we can go as high as $5.50. Grok is a little bit less optimistic, says that we can go to $4.50 by the end of 2025, and ChatGPT says we can go to $5.50. I still think at some point, maybe not 2025, maybe it's 2026, I think we can get into that $7 to $10 range for XRP, especially if we get ETFs. We have 18 of those filed. That's going to bring a lot of traditional investors into XRP. We've seen what's happened with Bitcoin and its price. It's absolutely exploded once traditional investors have access. They want to do it through an ETF, and that's okay. More power to them, right? However they want to get exposure. But we don't have that yet with XRP. And I think once this SEC case unfolds, it's going to be very, very bullish for XRP. And from a technical standpoint, as Raoul Pal talked about, we're looking very, very solid. Now, if you want to take advantage of this chart before it breaks out, you want to experience the gains, you want to actually level up your game when it comes to being a trader, check out XT Algo. We had 4 new people sign up yesterday. You could be on our team today. It's a great, great tool, great resource. I walk you through how to use it. I put together a step-by-step guide that will help you navigate, help you set everything up, set your own customized alerts. This way, when you're on the go, you can still take advantage of charts that are breaking out. And it helps you kind of automate your process. It helps you have a leg up against the competition and not have to manually find the best entry and exit points. And of course, if you need a spot to actually trade, you want to do leverage, you want to do spot trading, BTCC is my premier exchange. Tons of crypto whales with me over here trading millions of dollars a day, which is absolutely insane. So if you want to come over and join us, they've been around for 13 plus years, BTCC. Highly encourage you guys to come check it out. So we'll take a look quickly at the rest of the market here, just to give you a snapshot of what's going on. How about Brett? This is one of my favorite meme coins. It's up 22%. Just a couple days ago, it was one of the top losers. Well, now it is one of the top gainers, up 21% right now at the time of this recording. Pepe, Whiff, a lot of meme coins up here at the top. Floki, Fart Coin, which is hilarious. SPX 6900, Bonk, crazy. I mean, we're starting to see the rotation, slowly but surely, of capital. All coins are starting to move. They're starting to decouple themselves a little bit away from Bitcoin, and we're on the verge, I think, of altcoin season. I know we've been saying it. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting, but it feels as if we're actually turning around the right corner here for crypto at large, not just Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin's been doing its thing for a while by itself, but now the rest of the market starting to catch up a little bit. Our global market cap, 3.36 trillion. We haven't been this high in quite some time. Absolutely love it, guys. But that's what Raoul Pal had to say about XRP. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. I still kind of give a $7 to $10 price target within this cycle here. He didn't really give a price target, but he just says the fundamentals, the technicals look phenomenal here for a price breakout at some point. So let us know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to subscribe right now to this channel, and I appreciate you guys for watching.